In this video, we will cover 2 first steps required for wrongful death cases. Brought to you by the Herrman and Herrman Injury Attorneys of Corpus Christi, Texas. If you are watching this video due to the recent death of a loved one, please accept our sincerest condolences. Wrongful death is the most difficult type of case we handle, and it is with utmost care that we approach cases like yours. Our role over the next few months will be to help you navigate the legal and financial difficulties you will face so that you can focus on your grief process. The first difficult task is to determine whether your loss classifies as a wrongful death and whether a suit can be filed. Wrongful death has a few common causes. 1. A car accident which involved negligence. 2. Intentional injury such as a fight or murder. 3. Careless or negligent medical care. 4. Premises liability such as a child drowning in an unsecured swimming pool. 5. Product liability such as collapsing furniture. 6. Employer negligence. This is not an exhaustive list, but should provide some idea whether your situation may qualify for a lawsuit. Importantly, wrongful death statutes provide the path for recourse against a company if it is at fault. Each case must show a chain of events linking someone's wrongful conduct with the death before there are grounds for a claim against the person, people, or company ultimately responsible. The next step is to designate a personal representative. The personal representative for the estate will act on behalf of all affected family members, so it must be someone you can trust to make sound decisions. The personal representative will have to choose and deal with the wrongful death attorney, discuss settlement figures, and ultimately make decisions on whether to take a settlement or go to trial. Check that the person you have in mind is aware of what the appointment entails and has the time and emotional strength to handle it. If your representative was close to the person who died, they will have to be able to look past their grief to discuss the life and death of that person with the attorney and cope with strategic, sometimes brutally painful, decisions. A judge will approve the selection of the representative, with legal guidelines governing his decision, including the executor named in the will, followed by the spouse, and then the next of kin or their respective nominees. Determining whether you have a wrongful death claim and who will maintain contact with the attorney are the 2 initial steps you must take immediately. We know that this is an extraordinarily difficult time of your life, and you may be fearful or hesitant to seek legal counsel. However, we cannot emphasize enough how being decisive early on will help your case close favorably. If you've been injured and need legal help, please call the Herrman and Herrman Law Firm at 844-426-6000.